I'm ENG from Section 9 and I'm part of Audio Group 4. My role is to make the function for delay effect, tone control, voice removal, the fade in fade out effect, and basic tone generation.
I'm Andia from Section 9 and I'm part of the group Audio 4. In this project, I put all parts of the audio sampler into a graphical user interface. I wrote the code for reverse, changing speed, loading WAV file, play audio, stop audio, selecting mono or stereo playback, and save the edited audio. I modified all the functions that my teammate wrote and organized them into the GUI. Added pop-up messages, drop-down menus, or text box for the user to input any information that is needed for editing audio. I also work with Lillian for the function to chop audio samples.
Hello, my name is Zakaria. I am part of Section 9, and then I was part of Group 4 for the audio project. I worked on the voice removal and the advanced playback functions.
This is the graphical user interface. User can load WAV file by clicking the load buttons. The file name of the loaded audio will appear on the button above. The location where the loaded file was from will appear in a static text box here. If the user attempts to add effects without selecting a file, a pop-up message will appear to direct the user. User can click on a loaded sample like this. A graph of the sound wave will appear and the audio is now ready for editing. User can play the audio by clicking the play button, stop by pressing the stop button. User can do tone control by choosing different options here. If the user attempts to filter something without selecting a percentage, a warning message will appear. So select a percentage in the drop-down menu here, click the load filter button, and a graph of the edited sound wave will appear, and the user can play the edited audio by clicking the play button. User can also do high filter by doing this. Chop audio by choosing the starting point and the ending point. Reverse the sample, choose stereo playback or mono playback. User can add a delay effect. They can select the millisecond between each delay. Pressing the delay button to edit the audio, the sound wave of the edited version will appear and they can listen to the edited audio. User can also add fade-in effects by selecting seconds in the drop-down menu, and add the effects by pressing the fade-in button. User can add fade-out effects by choosing seconds in the drop-down menu here, and add the effects by pressing the fade-out button. When the user wants to save the edited audio, they can type a file name here and press the Save Current Audio button. The location of the saved WAV file will be shown in here.
If you want to remove the voices from your audio file, you will use the voice removal function. As you can see, the audio is altered. When I play it, you'll notice that most of the voices are gone. If you want to generate a tone, first you would have to pick a pitch in which you want to generate. For example, I would pick D. Afterwards, you would pick the amount of time you want to play it in seconds. I would do 2 seconds. You press the generate tone button, and then you play the play button.